Okay guys, TR Man 2720 coming back at you with Topps Archives Football Blaster 2013. So we get 7 packs plus an extra pack, so 8 cards, 8 packs. Got an auto in our last blaster, so see if we can, the luck keeps up. I don't think I ever opened any of these before. Okay, there they are. It's like the old football packs. See what we get. Okay, Larry Fitzgerald. We have a LaMichael James. We have a Sidney Rice. And then we have a sticker card of some sort. An insert of Troy Aikman. Not sure what that is. Let's see. It's kind of like a, I think it's a sticker. It's not numbered. Jamal Charles. Tom Brady. I love the way these cards look. The old days. Patrick Willis and Alfred Morris. Okay, first up we have a Roger Staubach veteran card. Hakeem Nicks. Dez Bryant. We have a Sam Bradford. It's hard to tell which one of these are inserts and which ones aren't. Gary Clark. Dan Fouts, old school. Michael LaSure. And then we have a Stephen Hill. Alshon Jeffries. Andre Johnson. Jim Kelly. Oh, what is this? We have an Andrew Luck. Another weird looking card. I don't know if this is a sticker or what that is, but pretty cool looking. Just says Andrew Luck, quarterback, Colts. That's it. We got a Beanie Wells. Aaron Hernandez, the murderer. Roddy White. And Justin Blackman. So, a couple of nice little pulls there. Len Dawson, old school. And we have a Jake Locker. Vernon Davis. Stephen Ridley. Oh, check this out. Fred Davis. Not numbered, but it is some kind of chrome card for the Redskins. Pretty nice looking. Love these looking cards. And the back is that. Rob Gronkowski. Joe Montana on the Chiefs. And CJ Speller. Alright. These cards are fun. They really are. Steve Young. Joe Namath. Broadway Joe. Jarius Wright. Jonathan Stewart. Greg Jennings. Mr. Brett Favre. T.J. Graham. And Miles Austin. Next we have, let's see, something in here. Jeremy Maclin. Josh Freeman, Darius Thomas, Seth Joyner. That's like actually the original card, man. I don't know. It's like a throwback card. It's not numbered though. Keep that out. Isaac Redman, Mike Wallace, Aaron Rodgers, and Drew Brees. Two more. Jason Pierre-Paul, Ed Reed, Frank Gore, Warren Moon, Steve Smith, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Joe Adams, Maurice Jones-Drew. Last pack. I think I'll do all these videos separate on these so we're not rushing through them, missing stuff. Antonio Gates, Brian Quick, Cyrus Gray, Shannon Green. Then we got a 1,000-yard club of Santana Moss, not numbered. Arian Foster, Emmett Smith, and Laurent Robinson. So there we go, guys. Recap it. We got inserts. We got Fred Davis, some kind of sparkle card, chromish sparkle card. It's not numbered. Andrew Luck. It's like a sticker of some sort. And a Troy Aikman sticker card. And this Seth Joyner throwback, here it is. It looks like the original card, but it's not, because it says 2013 down the bottom. So very cool though. Alright guys, I'll be back with probably Gypsy Queen next, baseball. Alright, later.